Hi everybody, in this moment I'm going to talk about colors of nature. Okay, as an introduction, the colors of nature transmit life, joy, energy, and enthusiasm. The nature has bright colors that are wonderful, together with animals' colors, has signs little insects, birds, amphibians, fishes, until the biggest animals has the mammals. Add it the flora colors like the big trees, the flowers, the flowering of crops. If you connect with the nature colors, it's possible that change your humor and feel peace and tranquility. Just for example, a little blue frog or a butterfly that confused with the flower colors, or if you see insects like ants that are carrying their food over his bodies. All the abilities and characteristics are own of animals called as camouflage. In this space I define the camouflage first, then I mentioned some examples of animals with these characteristics, and to finally I tell the conclusion. Okay, continuing with the topic, the camouflage is a wonderful thing. It helps animals hide from predators and catch prey. This built-in protection is key to survive in the wild. According to Derek, 2003, say that many animals have evolved to exhibit some form of camouflage, which is an adaptation that allows animals to blend in with certain aspects of the environment. Camouflage increases an organism's change its survival by hiding it from predators. This gives the animal a higher probability of being able to successfully reproduce and carry on the species. If you ever go to an outdoors or hunting store, you will see clear evidence that camouflage works. 2. Okay, camouflage is also used by some predators as a tool for hunting, for them being able to blend in with their environment gives them an element of surprise and increases their chance of successfully obtaining food. Okay, now I said some examples of camouflaging animals. One animal that uses camouflage to hide in the surroundings in this stone fountain. A flatfish that lives on the ocean floor has it search for to prey. It is advantageous for this fish to blend in with the gravel of sand found at the bottom of the sea to avoid predators. This camouflage also hides them from prey that may move close enough for them to catch. Other examples are the artichokes change their camouflage with the seasons. Octopuses camouflage themselves in response to a threat. Other species, such as nutbranch, brightly colored, soft-bodied ocean slugs, can change their skin coloration by changing their diet. Okay, as a conclusion, the nature and the ecosystem are important to conserve and protect because in these places live many animals that help and maintain the balance of life as they protect of other predators changing these colors. Thank you for this attention.